It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good morning, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, I am back with one more the best question series. Today's question series number is 59th, right? So I have done 59 question series for General Aptitude GATE 2023. Many were asking me, sir, is this helpful for HPCL? Is this helpful for SSCJE? Better, this will be helpful for all the examinations whatsoever you are writing with your GATE examination, right? For sure. So today let us learn some geometry properties which you frequently observe in your questions. So where you cannot remember the formulas that much easily, right? So every time formula remembrance is too tough, right? So let's learn the logic there and then we will solve the questions there. Okay. Now before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is N.L. Sharma. This is N.L. Sharma and my best CAT score was 99.83 in 2011. These are my credentials. Now when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get 10% discount and you will get guidance of all these subjects from me. Now why me? I am ranked 16 in overall category of GATE and ESE and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. So many students were asking me, sir, what is the difference between plus and iconic and what are the advantages when I choose iconic or plus? One such greatest advantage in iconic is you will be assigned with a personal coach exclusively. How this coach will be helpful? You will be getting one-to-one live mentorship program with your coach and educator so that you can speak with them personally about your difficulties facing during your preparation, where you will get best solutions to overcome that. One more greatest advantage, right? You will be getting personalized guidance and personalized test analysis. This is what students need right now. So you will get the class resources on many platforms, but you need guidance, right? Each and every test will be analyzed and your mistakes are identified. And if those mistakes are rectified, automatically your score will be boosted. Yes, hi Abdul, hi. Right, one such greatest advantage there. Of course, whatever you get in plus, you will get in iconic also. So these are the features of plus and iconic. How much you have to invest? If you are choosing plus and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 75 rupees per day, the lowest, where you will get India's the best educators to teach for you. When you use my code NLN10, you'll get my guidance and my entire group guidance, right, from Bhima sir, Vishal sir, Negi sir, right, Krishna Prakash sir, Jaspal sir, everyone, and you will get 10% off. After 10% off, the price will be 53,737, and for 12 months it will be 35,339 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 months. Of course, we have an offer for you, right? So if you buy for 24 months, you will be getting 6 months extension for free. If you buy for 12 months, you will be getting 3 months extension for free. Do try to subscribe, right? And yes, these are the prices for iconic. On this prices, you will be getting 10% discount, and you will be getting all the features what I have explained you in the previous slide. And also you will be getting notes prepared by topmost educators in India, right? So you will be getting 10% discount using with my code NLN10, and you will be getting 6 months of free extension also, right? And yes, do try to write this combat. If you are expecting more discount, right, you can get at least 25 to 90% discount on the subscription when you attempt this combat based upon your score there. Unlock the combat using with my code NLN10 August 14th sharp 11 AM. It's a 20 question test with 60 minutes. So do try to attempt this. Yes. So let's start the questions here. 1 second, let's start the questions. Yes, I will explain the first question. From the next question, I will be giving you 2 minutes for each and every question, right? You can solve it, right? First, I'll give the glance of this question there. Observe the question carefully. An equiangular, it is not equilateral hexagon. I mean, it is not a regular hexagon. It is an equiangular hexagon, it seems. Equiangular means sides are not same, but angles are same. A, B, C, D, E, F is inscribed in an equilateral triangle PQR of side 27 as shown in the figure. AB length is given as 10, CD length is given as 8, and EF length is given as 6. What is the first question asked? What is the perimeter of A, B, C, D, E, F is the question asked. Means you have to find out the length of AF, ED and BC, then only we will get the answer there. Okay, chalo, how shall we do this? So equiangular hexagon, it seems. So some of the angles of an hexagon can be deduced with this formula n minus 2 into 180 degrees. Everybody know n value is nothing but equal to 6. So automatically the answer will be 4 into 180 degrees. So I have to find out each and every angle. So I have to divide it by 6 there. So automatically each angle in an regular hexagon will be equal to 120 degrees. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. So see here, some of the adjacent angles must be equal to 180 degrees. So this is already, you know, it is 120 degrees. Now how much will be this? This will be 60 degrees. And the same case will be applicable here also, right? Some of the adjacent angles will be equal to 180. Now this is 120 of an hexagon. Now this will be 60. Now by this, what can I prove? Now see, this is 60, this is 60. This must also be 60. Triangle PAB is an equilateral triangle. Am I right or wrong? All the sides will be equal. Now AP value will be, I know AB value. So automatically PA and PB value will also be 10. And the same application can be used for this FRE triangle also. This is 6. So this will also be 6 and this will also be 6 because it is an equilateral triangle. And the same will be applicable here. This is 8 and this is also 8. Ab dekho beta, you know side of an equilateral triangle value is 27. So this is 10, this is 8, 18. Now how much will be BC value? BC value will be 9. So total it should be 27. Now come to here, 6 plus 8, 14. So automatically ED value has to be 13 because your side of a triangle is 27 because it is an equilateral triangle. Come here, 10 plus 6, 16. So it is 16 matlab, is it 11? Yes, yes, perfectly. Now you are asked to find out the perimeter of this hexagon, right? So 11 plus, so I'll start from here, right? 10 plus 11 plus 6 plus 13 plus sum of the sides of an hexagon is nothing but equal to perimeter of the hexagon. Is this nothing but called perimeter? Add these values and let me know the answer there. Perimeter of A, B, C, D, E, F. Anybody got the answer there? A, B, C, D, E, F. So this was a question asked in test series beta. I got the same question there, right? So 10 plus 11, 21 plus 6, 27. This is 40, 48. So plus 9, it is 57. Is there any option with 57? Yes, there is an option called 57B. So what happened to my regular students here? Very less strength today. क्या हुआ? आज छुट्टी है. So due to Moharram, nobody is attending. क्या हुआ suddenly? Now try this question there. Same question I have given you different data. So totally 4 questions I got this. Let's see how many can answer this. 2 minutes. It is Pralay Mehta, Naman Mehta, right? There is Bhavesh, there is Srinivas, there is Anshita Gupta. There are my regular students. Aisha, how are you? Same data is same. Equiangular hexagon ABCDEF is inscribed in an equilateral triangle PQR of side 27 as shown in the figure. AB 10, CD 8 and EF is 6. What is the question asked? What is the area of ABCDEF? You are asked to find out area of the hexagon. So if it is a regular hexagon, I can say that regular hexagon can be divided into 6 equilateral triangles. Means all the sides are equal. But here all the sides are not equal. Matlab the central angle will not be same for all the triangles. So how should I calculate this? Any idea, Darshit? Any idea, Mansi? No answers. Arey bhai, easy question here. Now see here, if I subtract, I will find out area of triangle PQR. Area of triangle PQR. In this, I will subtract area of, I'll subtract area of triangle PAB. So I'll subtract area of triangle FRE plus area of triangle CDQ. Am I right or wrong? Then will I get my area of ABCDEF? Yes. If you closely observe there, I will be getting area of ABCDEF. How many of you are getting this point there? Yes, perfectly. Yeah. Now see here, area of triangle PQR. Yes, Ayushman, you can get, right? So respect to the conditions that what is your schedule, how much you are preparing, all these things, right? Now area of triangle PQR. PQR is an equilateral triangle. Root 3 by 4 I'll write down here. Area of triangle PQR is nothing but equal to root 3 by 4, 27 whole square. Am I right or wrong? Minus. So see here, I am taking down root 3 by 4 as common now because all these are Equilateral triangles only I have proved in the previous question itself. So this side is 10, so this will be 10 square. Now this side is how much beta? 8 minus 8 square. Yes, Ayushman, there is a batch, right? So you can ping me on the Telegram group, right? You can ping me on the ID, so I can give you all the batches and you can join under my guidance, right? No issues. So I have to add this one, right? So this is the thing now. So see here, 10 square is 100, 64 plus, is it 200? Yes, it is 200. How much is 27 square? 27 square. Can anybody say in the comment section box? 900 now? Mostly it will be 729. So root 3 by 4, 729 minus 200. Am I right or wrong? 8 square plus 6 square is also 100. 100. So your answer will be 529 root 3 by 4. Is there any option there? Yes, there is an option there. So see here, how did I calculate it? This perfectly done now. With only triangle properties, I am solving the questions there. Done? Yes. Let's come to the next one, right? So 3 and 4, 2 more questions are left over. This is a very, very easy question here. This can be solved in 30 seconds if you understood the idea there. If you can understand the idea of the question, you can solve this question. Anuj, you can just go back and watch this, Anuj, right? Why to repeat the same question? This is not an offline class, na? Ab thoda sa back jao, watch it and come back in 2x or 1x, right? An equiangular hexagon, same data. Now the question asked is, what is the perpendicular distance between segments BC and EF is the question asked. Chalo, I'll draw like this. So see here, let us suppose take a line segment. So I'll not draw it. If I draw it, you can easily understand. Minute more. The regular students here. आज बहुत ज़्यादा कम crowd था. $20 seconds more. Any answer? No one. No. Ayushman, Darshit, Jainam, Anshita. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So is this the question asked? So see here. Is it C? No here. I'll take a line segment. PQR is an equilateral triangle beta. And this will be called for altitude of the given triangle. Am I right or wrong? Can I take down this as altitude of the given triangle? Yes, I can take down this as altitude of the given triangle. Now you closely observe this. This is what question asked. Perpendicular distance between EF and BC is the question asked. Now see here, for the triangle PQR, now see here, what is the height there? Everybody know root 3 by 2, 20 into 27 is the altitude of the given triangle. From this, so see here, I'll write down here. Subtract the height of triangle PQR from height of triangle FRE. Then automatically you will get your answer there, which is nothing but called perpendicular distance between BC and EF. And you closely observe there, what is the altitude of this value there? Is it minus root 3 by 2? What is the value there? Is it 6? Yes, it is 6. So 27 minus 6 is nothing but 21. So your answer will be 21 into root 3 by 2. And my option number B. Hope so you got my point there. As simple as such that, right? I've done it very, very easily. Come to the next question, right? Last question of this series there. Let's do some the best questions later on. Let me know the answer for this. If hexagon ABCDEF can be similarly inscribed in another equilateral triangle XYZ, what could be the length of XY is the question asked. So you should inscribe this ABCDEF in one more triangle called XYZ, it seems. What will be the length of the XY line segment is the question asked. Okay, one more interesting question, right? Let's see how many can solve this. That's an easy question, beta. Anuj, try it. The answer. Waiting for your answers here. Chalo, I'll do it right. Nobody got the answer there. 25 seconds more. One answered this. Ab dekho, see here, I'll extend a line segment here. I'll extend a line segment here and I frame a triangle here. Now you closely observe there. Everybody know this is 120 beta. This is how much? 60. And this will be 120. How much will be this? This will be 60. Some of the adjacent angles will be equal to 60. And the same case, so by this extended lines, what can I say? Are these equilateral triangles? Yes, this is an equilateral triangle. Ab dekho, this will be 60 degrees. This will be 60 degrees. Now you closely observe there. Now what will be this length? Already I have done this in the first question itself. Let's see the lengths there, right? So 10, 9, 8. Now this is 9. Of course I can write it. This is 9. Because this is 10 and this is 8. So this will also be 9 and this will also be 9. Okay. Perfectly done. Similarly, I'll draw here also. Observe there. So see here. Can I take down this as XYZ? See here, I'll take down this as XYZ triangle there. So again, in this XYZ triangle, ABCDEF is inscribed. Perfectly done now. Now see here, what will be this value? This is 10. This is 6. This will be 14. Automatically, this will also be 14. This will also be 14. Now closely observe there. What will be this value? This is 6 and this is 8. 6 plus 8, 14. Now this will be 13. Now this will also be 13 and this will also be 13. Now observe this XY line segment ka value kitna tha? 10 plus 14, 24 plus 9, 33. Is it the same there? 14 plus 6 is 20. 20 plus 13, 33. 13 plus 8 is how much? 21. 21. 13 plus 8 is how much here? 21. 21 plus 9 is 30. Have we missed out anything there? Did we missed out anything there? So XY, all the three line segments should be same now. Are we missing out anything there? Let me check there. 14, 9. Oh, beta, this is 11 now. This is not 14 here. This is 11 now. We have done a calculative error. This is 11. Nobody changed me, right? This is 11. This is 11. 11. 11. Now calculate this. 10 plus 11, 21 plus 9, 30. So this one 11 plus 6 is 17, 17 plus 13 is 30, 13 plus 9, 8 is 21, 21 plus 9 is 30. What will be the XY line segment value here? It is 30, and XYZ is an equilateral triangle, everybody know, because all the sides will be equal or equal length. I hope so you got my point. Sure. Let's go for the next question. Let's see, in this question you have to find out the length of AB. We have done similar type of questions in the previous classes also. Let's see how many can find out the answer for this. I'll be giving you 2 minutes for this. Each of the circles has a radius 1 centimeter, it seems. The answer for this, 1 minute more. What happened to you? Regular students kidhar hai bhai? Gindodia say that it is C. Very good, yeah. Excellent. I thought most of the guys will give me A option. So let us see, Prathamesh, if somebody defends our answer there. 20 seconds more. So I'll be taking down like this, right? See here. "20 seconds more, any answer?" So I'll end the poll as Prathamesh gave me the answer. Now see here, I will be taking down this as center of the circle. I will be taking down the center of the circle. Now this value is nothing but equal to 1. This value is nothing but equal to 1. Let us suppose take my AB values, I will be taking down as A. Now how much will be this value beta? Now this is also radius. Now this is also radius. Now how much will be, this is also radius. Yes, Anand, it is C option. Now closely observe there, what will be this value? This value is nothing but equal to, radius value is given as 1 now. Now this value will be root 2. Am I right or wrong? Similarly, this value also will be root 2. So finally, AD is nothing but called diagonal of a square. AD is nothing but equal to root 2A. So finally, what is your AD value? AD value is nothing but equal to 2 plus 2 root 2 is equal to root 2A. So finally, can I write down like this? 2 by root 2. 2 by root 2 plus 2 is nothing but equal to A. So I'll rationalize this. If I rationalize this, what happens there? Denominator root 2 will become 2. Numerator root 2 will be left over, and this is my A value there. A is nothing but equal to AB. So my C option will be my answer there. Exactly. Perfectly done, na? Please do try to hit the like button here for the classes. I have done very best questions here. In this question also, you are asked to find out AB length value. Let's see how many can find out this. Little bit trickish one when compared to previous one. Let's see how many can solve this. 2 minutes. One minute more. A square is inscribed in a regular hexagon of side 1 centimeter. Regular hexagon of side 1 centimeter. And AB is parallel to a side of hexagon. AB is parallel to a side of hexagon. Okay, fine. We can do this. Any answer for this? Anand, Prathamesh, Anuj, Ayushman. I'm taking just 15-minute session every day here. Do try to attend, right? You will be exposed to the best question, right? You might have not ever seen in your SimCats and your mock cats also. Thirteen, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 6. There was a po. Right. Chalo, before going to that, I will be taking down one point regarding hexagon beta. Let me know how many can know this exactly. Then I can understand this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is octagon. Sorry. This is hexagon. Okay. Let us suppose take I took an hex. Let us suppose this is a regular hexagon. As it is a regular hexagon. This is the center of the regular hexagon. And you closely observe there. See here this and this. Now see here. Central angle will be 60 degrees. Everybody know a regular hexagon can be divided into is divided into 6 equilateral triangles. Am I right or wrong? This is what I have done there. Now my central angle will be how much? Will it be 60 degrees? Now see here, from the center to the vertex, if this is A, this will also be A. So automatically this is an equilateral triangle, this will also be A. Now from this vertex to this vertex, what will be the length there? Is it A and A? Yes. So by this, what can I say? Closely observe there, this side length is given as 1 of a regular hexagon, it seems. So what will be this length? Closely observe there. This length I will take down from X and Y. I will take down this value as X and Y. Now XY value will be equal to how much? Is it 2? Yes, it is 2. Now closely observe there. I will be taking down XAC. Now everybody know this is 120 degrees. Am I right or wrong? Regular hexagon. Na? I have dropped a perpendicular from the vertex to this line segment, right? Let us suppose that this is 90 degrees. Everybody know. So automatically, what can I say down now? This is 60 degrees now because it cannot divide into 90, 30. This will be 30 degrees. So what I will do is I will be taking down this line segment value as A. And this will be this far from here to here, it will be 1 minus A. Okay, later on I'll calculate this. Now if this is A, 90 degrees hypotenuse value is A, matlab 60 degrees opposite value will be root 3 by 2 A. And everybody know what will be this? This will be A by 2. And the same case will be applicable on the right hand side also. This will be A by 2. Now what will be this? This will be nothing but called AB length only. And what will be AB? This is root 3 by 2A now. This will also be root 3 by 2A. By this, what can I say? My AB value is nothing but equal to root 3 by 2A. Root 3A, sorry, root 3A. Okay. Done. Now calculate this. Now see here, I'll add from X and Y up to X, up from X to Y. So XY is nothing but equal to 2, which is nothing but equal to A by 2 plus this is how much? Equal to exactly equal to side of the square root 3A plus A by 2. Am I right or wrong? Now what will be the answer there? This is nothing but equal to A plus A into 1 plus root 3. Now finally, what will be A value? A value is nothing but equal to 2 by 1 plus root 3. So what I will do is I will rationalize it and I will find out a value there. So root 3 minus 1, of course 1 plus root 3, I can take down any value there. Right, so 1 minus root 3. Am I right or wrong? So what will be this value beta? So is it 3 minus 1, 2, 2 gets cancelled. So A value will be equal to root 3 minus 1. But our question is AB value. AB is root 3a na? So automatically AB is equal to root 3 into root 3 minus 1. Am I right or wrong? A value I have to substitute this. So finally my answer will be 3 minus root 3. Is there any option called 3 minus root 3? Yes, there is an option called C, and this is my answer. So how many of you got this idea there? With XY I have solved entire things and I have made the answer. Done. Let's crack it. Let's come to the next one. This is one of my favorite question here. This I have seen in Bodhi Prep. I took this question there. Let me know how many can answer this. 2 minutes. Those who know the properties can solve this question fatafat here, or otherwise it will take so much time. One property, one simple property will help you to solve the entire question very easily. In the given figure, angle BAC is given as 120 degrees. AD is the bisector of angle BAC, angle bisector. Angle bisector means angle bisector of angle BAC. So I can write down this as angle bisector happily. 50 seconds more. Twelve, 11, 10, 8, anybody? Here, examination is 100 more days. Now, even though if you are not able to answer this, how will you appear for the examination? In the given figure, angle BAC is 120 degrees. This is angle BAC, and AD is angle bisector of angle BAC. So automatically this will be 60 degrees and this will be 60 degrees. Now, this is not the point exactly what we need. So by internal angle bisector theorem, everybody know, because the angle is bisecting internally. How many of you know internal angle bisector theorem, beta? Right, now closely observe there AB by AC. AB by AC, because A is the angle A is the angle bisector na, I mean AD is the angle bisector na. BD by DC. This is your internal angle bisector theorem, and you are given with one value here, AD into AB by BD is equal to AE by AC, AE into EC. Now closely observe there AE plus EC is nothing but equal to AC only na. So I will little bit tweak this one here. How will I tweak means, now closely observe there, what I will do is I will write down this value as AB by BD. AB by BD is nothing but equal to AC by DC. Now you closely observe there, in the place of AB by BD, I will substitute AC by DC. I'll write down AD into, in the place of this I can write down AC by DC is equal to AE by EC. AE plus EC is nothing but equal to AC. Finally done. So AC gets cancelled. Finally I can write down AD by DC is nothing but equal to AE by EC. By this what can I say? So this is also internal angle bisector theorem beta, and your ED value is nothing but called bisector. ED value is nothing but called bisector, angle bisector. Did you got the point there? And the same theorem proves 2 points there. By this, what can I say? If this is angle bisector, so the angle D will be divided into 2 parts, which will be same, x degrees, x degrees. Any other point given there? Yes, one more point is given there. If angle EDC is equal to angle ECD, EDC is x degrees, ECD will also be x degrees, it seems. Okay. What is the question asked? What is the ratio of angle B and angle C? Are you observing a triangle called triangle ADC? Yes. In triangle ADC, sum of the angles of a triangle will be equal to 180. So 3x degrees is nothing but equal to 180. Am I right or wrong? Now what will be x degrees value? X degrees value will be equal to 40. Now everybody know if this is 40 degrees, now see here angle A is 120, 120 plus 40 is 160. Now angle B will be equal to 20 degrees. Now the question asked is angle B, ratio of angle B to angle C, the ratio is asked. Everybody know angle B is 20 degrees and angle C is how much beta? Is it 40 degrees? And is the ratio 1:2? That's it. My question is done. And my option number 2 satisfies there. So how many of you got this? So if you know internal angle bisector theorem, fatafat you can solve this question easily. Done. Let's go for the next question. Now before dealing this question, I want to explain you some basics regarding the circumcenter and incenter, right? I gave you the formulas in the previous classes, but some students have asked me doubts in the Telegram groups are so derive it exactly, right? So see, let's see. So let us suppose take, everybody know, I'll take a triangle 1 second. Of course, I'll take down like this. This is a suppose take, this is a triangle. Okay, and this is a in this triangle, I'll later on write down. See, observe there. This is nothing but called perpendicular bisector, which makes 90 degrees with the opposite line segment and it divides the base into 2 equal halves. Okay. Similarly, I'll draw all the perpendicular bisectors. One more perpendicular bisector. This is one more perpendicular bisector, which makes 90 degrees with the base and divides the base into 2 equal halves. Now see here, this is nothing but called intersecting point of all perpendicular bisectors, which is nothing but called circumcenter. Is nothing but called circumcenter. Matlab, you can draw a circle around this triangle which touches the vertices exactly, right? Then now closely observe there, circumcenter. Now I'll write down the formula there. Everybody knows circumcenter. I take down as capital R. Capital R is nothing but equal to A into B into C by 4A. Now this is the formula that I have explained you. Now how it will be changing in different triangles. Let us suppose I'll take down this as an equilateral triangle. Now closely observe that if it is an equilateral triangle, now see here this line segment AD is dividing the opposite line segment into 2 equal halves. Now my AD is median and it is making 90 degrees and it is altitude. Am I right or wrong? So in equilateral triangle, I can write down one point there. Median is nothing but equal to perpendicular is equal to, now see here, Again, this is 90 beta. This angle will be divided into equal halves in equilateral triangle is equal to angle bisector. All these points will be equal because 30, 60, 90 degrees triangles will be formed. This is 1. Automatically, this will be root 3 by 2. This will be 1 by 2. Everybody know is equal to perpendicular bisector. This is the point that you will be learning in your textbooks, which I can derive like this, right? In equilateral triangle. What will be the circumcenter in equilateral triangle? R is equal to, now see here, A into A into A. Am I right or wrong? Divided by 4 into area of the triangle, 4 into root 3 by 4 A square. Will you accept with me? So A square, A gets cancelled, 4 gets cancelled. Is it A by root 3? Yes. In equilateral triangle, your circumcenter is nothing but called circumradius. So it is not circumcenter beta. Now this is circumcenter. Now circumradius. I'll write down. This is your circumradius. I'll write down this. This one is R. Circumradius. Done. Aditya. Now, will it be the same for? I'll speak about in center also better, right? First of all, I'll write down. So what about in right angle triangle? What happens in right angle triangle? Let us check it. Right, I'll draw a right angle triangle, then we can understand what we are doing there. I will be taking down a right angle triangle. So this is a right angle triangle. I'll be taking down a circle there. Right. Now closely observe there. Again the same formula beta. So I'll write down here. In right angle triangle, what will be the formula there? Now let us suppose take everybody know this is, I'll take down this as A, I'll take down this as B, and I'll take down this as, now A into B into C divided by 4 into area of an equilateral triangle at half into base into height. Base is A, height is B. Am I right or wrong? So finally, what can I write down? My A into B gets cancelled, 2, 4 gets cancelled, and is it nothing but called C by 2? Now in an right angle triangle, now my circumradius will be equal to exactly half of the hypotenuse. Done. This point is clear, I hope so. Then let's come to the next one. I'll speak about in center beta. I'll speak about in center. Let's see how many can understand this, right? So that we can go for the questions comfortably. So this is asked by a student only, so that's why I'm taking on this. This is a triangle. Now everybody know. See here, AD is a line segment. ABC is a triangle. AD is a line segment. And this AD divides the angle at the vertex A into two equal halves. This is x degrees and this is x degrees. We have done a question also, right? How many of you, I don't know, remember this? Now see, again I'll draw a angle bisector, and again I'll draw an angle bisector here. So the intersecting point of all angle bisectors is nothing but called in center. Will you accept with me? And the circle that you draw inside this triangle is called in circle. So I'll draw the in circle also. Done. Now, what is the formula for in radius? Now see here, everybody know, is this nothing but called in radius? In the previous case also, I'll show you what is in radius. I'll take down this as small r. Now capital R value will be what in this triangle beta? Is this nothing but called 1:2 ratio that I'll do it later on make, right? So this is your capital R. Now if I draw in circle, now see in an equilateral triangle, so see here I'll draw this one also. If I draw an in circle inside this triangle there, in an equilateral triangle itself, let me draw this. Done. Now closely observe that, is it nothing but called your in radius? Yes, this is called your in radius. In an equilateral triangle, now see here, this is your median point. This is your center. I mean, this is your centroid also. Am I right or wrong? This is not only circumcenter, man. This is centroid. In equilateral triangle, centroid will be equal to this circumcenter also. So is it R, capital R is to small r is nothing but equal to 2:1, because centroid divides the median in 2:1 ratio, and I have explained you this in Siva's theorem also in equilateral triangle. This I have proved it. So I'll prove the next point also here. First of all, I'll find out the in center there. In radius small r into S is nothing but equal to area of the triangle there. This is what the formula there. Okay, let's suppose take in equilateral triangle, what happens? We'll draw this. In equilateral triangle, I'll write down the formula there. Now S is nothing but called semi-perimeter beta. In equilateral triangle, in center R into semi-perimeter is nothing but A plus so everybody know A plus B plus C by 2 is nothing but called semi-perimeter. So what will be the semi-perimeter here? 3A by 2. A plus A is equal to, equilateral triangle, is it √3/4 A square? Yes, perfectly. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So A gets cancelled. So my in radius R is nothing but equal to, what can I write down there? This 3 will √3/√3. So finally this becomes A by 2√3. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know, yes or no. This is your answer there. In equilateral, what happens in right angle triangle? I'll take down one more slide and I will explain you here. So I'll take down a right angle triangle. Let me take down the shape there. This is a right angle triangle. I'll be taking down draw this. Done. Now closely observe there. I'll draw one point there. Now this will be the center of the in circle. I will be taking down this as radius of the circle. This will also be radius of the circle. This will also be radius of the circle, which I'll take down small r value. Now closely observe there. I'll take down this value as A. I'll take down this value as B, and I'll take down this value as C. You closely observe that this is a triangle ABC now. Now A is an external point. From this external, I'll take down this point called X. I'll take down this point as Y, and I'll take down this point as Z. If you closely observe there, from an external point called A, I have drawn two line segments AX and AY, which are meeting on only one point on the circle. These are called tangents, and these two tangents will be of equal length. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know, yes or no. Will you accept with me? Yes, perfectly. You should accept with me. Now, what about this? Now, see, this is R beta. This is R beta. Now, what will be this value there? Will this value be R? Yes, this value will be damn surely R. If this is R, this will also be R. Now, closely observe there. This value will be how much? This value will be A minus R. Am I right or wrong? If this is A minus R, now AY value will also be A minus R. Now you closely observe there, what will be this value? This value will be equal to B minus R. So this is totally B. Now this value will also be B minus R because C is an external point. From this external point, I have drawn two tangents of equal length. These tangents will be of equal length, right? Right, this will be B minus R. Now, what is your C value? C value is nothing but equal to A minus R plus B minus R. Isn't nothing but equal to, so see here, C is equal to A plus B minus 2R. So I will take down like this, cap small r is nothing but equal to A plus B minus C divided by 2. So this is the derivation for this. This is called in right angle triangle. In right angle triangle. So this is what the question asked in once as an assertion reason in one Olympiad. In right angle triangle, in radius is nothing but equal to A plus B minus C divided by 2. You can take down this happily. So I have proved the entire things better, right? So derivations are also done. So triangle, equilateral triangle, right angle triangle, circumradius and in radius, both values are done. Now let's come to the question there. Now this is the question asked now. ABC is a right angled isosceles triangle, it seems. Okay, fine. Right angled isosceles triangle. Okay. S is the in circle, it seems. S is the in circle and T is the circumcircle. First of all, I will draw the circumcircle there. Done. This is circumcircle. I will be taking down an in circle also here. Just give me 1 second. I will draw it perfectly. Done. Let's see. ABC is an isosceles right angled triangle. Okay. S is the in circle. Now this is in circle. T is the circumcircle of triangle ABC. What is the radius of, what is the ratio of radius of T to the radius of S, it seems. In an right angle triangle, everybody know, just now we have drawn, we have seen it in right angle triangle. What is your circumcircle value beta? Just now you have drawn it, right? In right angle triangle, is it C by 2? Capital T is nothing but equal to AC by 2. Am I right or wrong? In right angle triangle. Now in right angle, this is circumradius. Now what will be in radius? Okay, or otherwise I can take down like this one. Two sides are equal, man. This is A. This is A. Now how much will be this? This will be root 2A. Now root 2A is nothing but equal to root 2A by 2. So upon rationalizing this, what happens? This will become A by 2, A by root 2. Am I right or wrong? This becomes A by root 2. Now let's come to in radius. I'll write down in radius. Everybody know in radius value is nothing but equal to A plus B minus C divided by 2. in right angle triangle. Am I right or wrong? So what will be a 2a minus okay, so see, this is what I have to do now. Or otherwise I'll do like this, right? I can do with this formula, I can do like this also. Now closely observe there, in radius r into semi perimeter is nothing but equal to a plus a root 2. So which will be 2a plus a root 2 divided by 2 is equal to area of the triangle half into a square. Am I right or wrong? So what will be my R value? I'll get the same answer here also, beta, right? Same answer. You'll get the same answer. Observe there. Yes or no? So this is a 2a minus root 2a divided by 2 is equal to R. So what can I do there? I can write down like this, beta. I can take a as common, which will become 2 minus root 2. So I can rationalize this, which will become 2 plus root 2 divided by 2 into 2 plus root 2. Now see, 4 minus 2 is 2 and this entire things will get cancelled off. So my small r value will be equal to how much? A by 2 plus root 2. Am I right or wrong? Is this the question asked ratio there? So small r, t is to s is the question asked. T is to s, this is a by root 2 and this is a by 2 plus root 2. Perfectly done. Automatically what will be the answer there? A gets cancelled there. Root 2 plus 1 is nothing but equal to, finally we can do this as t is to s. Rationalize it, you'll get the answer there. Perfectly done. Exactly. Hope so you got my point there. Yes, let's solve one more question, then I'll end the class there and tomorrow we'll continue with the next. Now see, this is an easy question, but you'll get multiple options there. Sometime, right? Multi MSQs, right? It is just like was an MSQ. Let's see last question, right? I'll not bore you. So today the strength is very low here. Every day there used to be more than 20 in the class. A right angled triangle with integral sides is circumscribed by a circle of radii 12.5 centimeters. What can be the perimeter, it seems? The answer here, 1 minute more. Should I draw the diagram there? Without even drawing the diagram, we can answer because we have done this now. Any answers here? Very easy questions here. Not answering these questions there. Now closely observe there, a right angle triangle with integral sides, there is no point or fractions, circumscribed by a circle of radii. Now in a right angle triangle, half of the hypotenuse will be your radii. Am I right or wrong? It is 12.5. Now this will be 12.5. How many of you accept this? And this is your triangle ABC. And your hypotenuse value is 25. Write down the Pythagorean triplets. If this is 25, automatically see here 576 plus 49 means 7. So these are Pythagorean triplets. So this can be 724, or otherwise if this is 25, 20 is nothing but 400, and I can take down 15 square. It is nothing but 25. So see here, what can be the perimeter of the triangle? The perimeter of the triangle can be this or can be this. Add all those values. So 45 plus 15, it is 60. Now 25 plus 24, 49. 49 plus 7 will be 56. Now either of these will be your options there. Am I right or wrong? How many of you got this logic there? Right, 56 is your answer and 60 might be also your answer. It can be an MSQ question, right? A simple question which was asked in Snap, I think so, yeah, some 2 to 3 years back. Chalo, we will solve. So let us continue in the next class, right? So how are the questions today? Did you like it? Yes. So as you all know, I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Yes, you can unlock combats, which happens on Unacademy, right? Combat, August 14, there is a combat. Do try to unlock the combat. Yes, you can unlock free classes using with my code NLN10. The price for plus for 12 months will be 35,339 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 and 24 months. Of course, we are giving you a free extension offer also here. If you buy for 6 months, you will be getting 1 month for free. If it is 9, 2 months, if it is 12, 3 months, if it is 18, 4, if it is 24, 6 months. So do try to avail this offer there, and it is valid for iconic also. Right, and these are the prices for iconic. On this prices you will be getting 10% discount, and you will be getting notes prepared by topmost educators in India. And yes, again, and you will be getting, right, this extension offer also. Coming to next one, right? So those who are interested to get only test series, right, you can buy for GATE Lite subscription, where you will be getting DPPs, sectional test and full length mock test. And yes, do try to unlock this, do try to write down this combat which happens on August 14th, 11 AM, right, where you can win at least 25 to 90% discount. Unlock the combat using with my code NLN10. And yes, do try to join this community feature here. I'm interacting daily in this community feature. I'm forwarding my notes, updating my classes, everything, right? Let's interact on this. And yes, do try to join my special classes, right, where the interaction level will be 10x more than on YouTube. My special classes has very huge crowd here, right? So my strategy sessions, opportunities, career opportunities, right? Very huge crowd. Do try to attend this. And please do try to hit the like button here. Share my classes if you like it, so that I can reach to more number of audience. If you like the session, please, if you really like the session, please like and share my sessions, right? So subscribe to the channel, download the PDF from the Telegram group, hit the bell icon for the updates. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.